A carcass lies bloated under the sun. Skin split. Gases escaping. Cut fast dark shapes circle overhead. Then wings beat. Flesh tears. Bones crack. Your instinct kicks in instantly. Gross. Dirty. Disgusting. These animals, vultures, hyenas, insects we call them bottom feeders, creatures we avoid, insult, and push out of sight. But what if I told you that, without them, the natural world would be drowning in death? What if the most disgusting animals on Earth are actually its cleanest workers? Let's start with the obvious problem. Dead bodies don't just disappear. A rotting carcass is a biological bomb loaded with bacteria, parasites, and deadly diseases like anthrax, rabies, and botulism. This is where nature's sanitation engineers step in. Take vultures. Their bald heads aren't ugly by accident. They're hygienic. No feathers means no bacteria clinging to rotting flesh. And inside, their stomach acid is so powerful it kills nearly every known pathogen. Anthrax spores, cholera bacteria, gone. They don't spread disease. They destroy it. Hyenas! They don't just eat leftovers. They erase them with jaws strong enough to crush bone. They eliminate material that would otherwise rot for months. Marrow, skeletons, everything. But here's where it gets serious. In the 1990s, India's vulture populations collapsed by over 99%. The result? Millions of animal carcasses left untouched. Feral dog populations exploded. Rabies cases skyrocketed. Tens of thousands of human deaths followed. When the cleaners disappeared, disease moved in. That's the domino effect. But this story doesn't end with disease prevention. Because death isn't waste. It's raw material. A carcass is packed with nutrients, nitrogen, phosphorus, calcium, the building blocks of life. Enter the smaller crew. Beetles burrow into flesh. Maggots liquefy tissue. Ants dismantle what's left, piece by piece. What looks like decay is actually redistribution. Those nutrients seep into the soil, feeding microbes, fueling plant growth, supporting herbivores, which support predators. No decomposition means no renewal. Every green forest, every grassland, every food web is rooted in something that once died. Around the world, the cleanup crew looks different, but the job is the same. Marabou storks patrol African plains, clearing massive carcasses in hours.
Tasmanian devils strip bodies clean before disease can spread.
Even ants tiny. Relentless skin dismantle animals, many times their size. These animals don't get documentaries narrated in whispers. They don't get plush toys or movie franchises, yet conservationists are fighting for them. In India, vulture breeding programs are slowly rebuilding populations. In Tasmania, protecting devils helps stop contagious facial tumors and keeps ecosystems balanced. Ecologists put it simply. When you remove scavengers, you don't get a cleaner world, you get a sicker one. So the next time you see a vulture on a fence post, or hear hyenas laughing in the dark,
That bird isn't waiting for death. It's preventing an outbreak.
that laugh isn't cruelty, it's efficiency. These animals aren't symbols of decay. They're guardians of balance. Because a healthy ecosystem isn't one without death. It's one that knows how to deal with it. If this changed how you see nature's grossest creatures, share this story. Support conservation efforts. And remember, sometimes the dirtiest jobs are the reason the world stays clean.